So there's a lot of things that have to be done to get ready for going to college. So I've made this really amazing spreadsheet that can help you with college planning, with filling out your applications, scholarships, what items do you need in your dorm, planning a budget once you get there. Once you apply for jobs and you're out of school, here's a job application tracker. I also have a student planner as well to help you keep track of assignments, your tests, and grades and other things. So I'm going to show you how this works. It's available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. So here is how it works. Okay, so we are in the first tab. This is your college planning checklist. This will help you to check off and write things down that are important to do as you're getting ready to go to college. So, looking at your GPA, exploring your college majors, applying for scholarships, checking things off as you get them done. Now, the cool thing about this is all of this is completely editable and changeable. So if you don't like the checklist that I have, you can write your own item here and then check it off when you're done. You can change your name and put your favorite school choice. This is a college application tracker. So if you have written out the college that you want to go to, and then if you want to put the application fee, so say it's $50 to apply, you can put the application deadline, double click in the box and choose a date, and then choose from the drop down box. Have you applied for it? Have you submitted the application? You can put the required documents that are needed, the date applied, and so on. So everything in this sheet is really easy. So you're either choosing dates, filling out items, choosing from the drop down box. Super easy. This next one is your college scholarship tracker. So as you apply for scholarships, you can put the description of the scholarship, the link that you found it, the amount that you're going to receive, the deadline, and so on. This is your college dorm checklist. So as you're preparing to go to college, this is a great sheet to use. I've used this sheet myself for my child who went to college, and it was super, super helpful. This is editable and printable, and there's lots of things on this list that can help you. This sheet is perfect for moms to know what to buy for filling up your child's college dorm with all the essentials. This is a college budget. So this is perfect if you say you're receiving school loans and a scholarship and you also have a job while you're in school, you can put your income here. So you can put, your job one and then how much money you made. And then you can also choose from the drop down box what the category is. Are you paying for school, housing, books, utilities, and so on? So say it's utilities, and this is your gas bill. This is for the monthly bill. And then how much was it? Say it was $25. And you budgeted for it, but it was actually only like $19.25. So this will show you your expenses by category, so you can see how much you spent the most on. And so the housing, this is $2,423 for that period of time, and then income versus your expenses. This is a job application tracker. So once you're completed with college, this is a great place to write down all the jobs that you've applied for, the location, the job description, how much is the pay, the date you applied, the status, the benefits, who's the contact person, their email, if you have an interview, and the decision status. Have you accepted the job? Are you waiting to hear back from them? And then what deadline did they give you? And then is this, 1 to 5, is this your favorite place? We're going to choose a 5. And then you can put notes, love the atmosphere. So this will tell you how many jobs you've applied for, how many jobs are in progress, you're waiting to hear back from, how many interviews you have, how many applications, and how many total jobs have you applied for. This is your student dashboard. This is a great place to write down all of the classes that you're taking, the date, the time of the class, who your teacher is, their contact information, any important dates. So starting from scratch, we're just deleting that out. We're going to put in exam, 1-1. And then any priority tasks, you can write down, tests coming up, study groups, and then what your study schedule is going to be like, and then any notes. This is your assignment tracker, so you can put your assignment. So if it's let's say homework, and then choose from the drop down any classes that you're taking, the date assigned, due date, have you started it, have you turned it in, how long do you think it'll take you to complete it? So say, 30 minutes. This will tell you how many days left you have to complete the assignment before the due date. You can put on the drop down box if it's low to high priority. Have you turned it in and what date? You're just choosing from the drop down box. If you don't want to do it that way, you could also just type in the date. And then the grade you received, how long did it take you to complete it? So we can just say half an hour. And then is it 100% complete? Yes. And then as you complete it towards 100%, the color will get lighter. This is a daily planner, so this will help you to decide, what are you going to do on Monday, what class do you have, and what are you going to do, and have you done it yet? So you just check things off as you got done, and then any priority tasks for that day and any notes. This is your test schedule. Also, you can put down the day of your test. What class do you have? You've got history final coming up. This is covering chapters 1 to 3. Your status, do you have to study? Are you ready for it? And then another thing that you could do is with the drop down box, there's an edit button here. So if you don't like the classes, if you wanted to change that, just hit the edit button and then, change it for math to, say algebra, and then hit done and apply to all. And then we can go in and choose algebra. And then this is your grade tracker. It's very similar. So you can just put in the due date of the assignment, what the item is, what type of assignment was this, what your grade was. And then this is your course tracker. So this is going to help you, if you want to put in, say I need, 150 credits. This will calculate how many credits you've earned from this column here. So say, you're taking your English, and then it's English 1101. Say it's 3 credits, and then so it's complete, and then you've earned 3 credits. This will add up for you how many credits you've earned, and then how many credits you have left. And then this is a book tracker of any books that you're reading. What date did you start and end the book? Is it complete or not? Are you reading it? Have you completed it yet? What's the name of the book? And then who's the author, the genre? Lots of things to choose from. And then how many chapters, how many pages have you read? And then this will add up total how many pages you've read, how many books you've completed, the average book rating. So you can put the rating from 1 to 10 here. This will tell you your average book rating. And then how many minutes have you read as well. So I hope this spreadsheet can help you. I usually have all of these sheets available separately on my website, but I've decided to put them all together to help you guys. So again, it's available at savvyandthriving.com. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great day.